Here's a simple, cozy, healthy beef noodle soup. Nothing fancy, just clean flavors and good vibes. Simple, healthy beef and veggie noodle soup. Serves 2 to 3. Time about 35 minutes. Ingredients: 1 pound beef, sirloin, stew meat, or thin sliced beef. 6 cups beef broth, low sodium if possible. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion, diced. 2 carrots, sliced. 2 celery stalks, sliced. 1 cup spinach or kale, optional but great. 1 to 2 cups noodles, egg noodles, rice noodles, or whole wheat. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and black pepper to taste. Herbs and seasoning: 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, or fresh if you have it, 1 bay leaf. Optional, fresh rosemary or oregano, just a pinch. Optional finish, fresh chopped parsley or green onions. Instructions: brown the beef. Heat olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add beef, season lightly with salt and pepper, and brown for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove and set aside. Build the base. In the same pot, add onion, carrots, and celery. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Add garlic and stir for 30 seconds. Add broth and herbs. Pour in beef broth. Add thyme, parsley, bay leaf, and any optional herbs. Bring to a gentle boil. Simmer the beef. Add beef back in. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until beef is tender. Cook noodles. Add noodles and cook according to package instructions, usually 8 to 5 minutes. Finish fresh. Stir in spinach or kale during the last 1 to 2 minutes. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve hot. Remove bay leaves. Top with fresh herbs if you like. Healthy tips: use whole grain or rice noodles for lighter digestion. Add ginger or turmeric for extra immune support. Skim any excess fat for a cleaner broth. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship.